Is your 2007 Honda Accord's alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from three main culprits: faulty door switches, a malfunctioning hood latch sensor, or key fob problems. First, test the door switches. These are located in the door jamb and can corrode or misalign. Use a multimeter to check their continuity. Then, inspect the hood latch sensor under the hood for dirt or mechanical wear. Clean and lubricate it. Finally, check your key fob's battery and signal. Try reprogramming the fob if needed. Addressing these areas will pinpoint the cause. Once you've identified the problem, here are some DIY solutions. For door switches, replacement kits are available online for $20 to $50. Clean the contacts with electrical cleaner before installing the new switch. If the hood latch sensor is the issue, lubricating it with WD-40 and adjusting its position can resolve false alarms. Key fob problems often require reprogramming, which can be done using a Honda tool or by a professional. Remember to check your work by ensuring the alarm no longer triggers randomly after the fix. If DIY isn't your thing, a mechanic will typically charge $100 to $300.